Meaning of lancers.
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 Lancers. Lancers can refer to a few different things depending on the context. In heraldry, lancers are long, narrow flags or pennants that are typically attached to a lance or spear. In military history, lancers were soldiers who fought with lances, which are long, pointed weapons used for thrusting. In sports, lancers can also refer to a figure skating move where one leg is extended straight out to the side while the other leg pushes off and lifts into the air. Without more information on the context in which you encountered the term lancers, it is difficult to provide a more specific answer to your question.